Come test drive the 2019 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, dual moonroof, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.